folks. My name is Tommy Del Favaro here with Voodoo Stache Movement. I'm over here stationed at Self-Made in Rancho Santa Margarita. The two people I got to work with today are a couple of great athletes of mine, Stacy Dawes and Dominic Claro. And what I specialize in is getting people out of pain. I begin by assessing people, figure out where there's cracks in their foundation, and then from there we repair those things, get them out of pain, and help them to progress to where they can perform without pain. They both have individual things going on. Dominic has been dealing with some internal rotation work that was limiting his left hip, which is affecting him when he's pitching for baseball. It caused some back pain, so we got him out of pain there. We're rehabbing him back to full speed and full power. Stacy's a volleyball setter for Hope University. She was having some mid-back pain, so we worked on a lot of readjusting of her rib cage, using different breathing drills and things of that nature. And she was also limited in internal rotation, so it really limited her ability to be fast and explosive. So we went through, decompress some areas, realign some things, and now she's more explosive than she's ever been. So my biggest thing for everybody is every time you see me, I want you to leave feeling better than you came in, and for always having the opportunity to progress and move better than you ever did before.